Hi there! Today we're gonna show you how to assemble the new ROG Aethon Gaming Chair SL201. The Aethon is perfect for gamers who prefer gaming chairs with built-in lumbar support and headrests designed to help reduce back strain and promote better posture for exceptional comfort. It's time for the unboxing. The ROG Aethon comes in a relatively large box, and in it you'll find everything you need to get started. Here we have the backrest, headrest, seat base, wheelbase, wheels, side covers with bolts, seat adjuster, gas lift, telescopic cover, hex key, a spare bolt, and a pair of gloves. And of course, an instructional manual for reference. Let's get started on assembling the ROG Aethon. Insert the wheels into the chair base and place the hydraulic lift cylinder into the hole. Attach the telescopic cover to the base assembly and use a hex key to remove the bolts from the backrest. Remove the foam covers and place the backrest between the seat base brackets. Secure the backrests with 2 bolts on each side. After that, install the side covers marked L and R for left and right, and secure them with bolts. Turn the chair over and remove the 4 bolts on the underside of the seat. Attach a nut at the back of the seat for the gas lift. Insert the chair base into the seat's mounting hole. Adjust the headrest strap and place it on the backrest. And we're done! The ROG Aethon can accommodate gamers varying from 155 to 190 centimeters and can handle a maximum weight of 136 kilograms. It offers seat, armrest height, and recline angle adjustments. The tension and height of the headrest can be adjusted as well. The middle of the seat cushion is much softer to provide superior comfort, while the firm side cushions help distribute your weight more evenly across the entire seat. The ROG Aethon comes in EPU leather or fabric, with the latter featuring a water, oil, and stain-resistant microfiber material. That's it for today. We'll see you again soon.